publisher of Technology Designer magazine. I'm also the founder of Women in Consumer Technology, and I'm very proud of the fact that Doug and I are the founders of something called the ELF Foundation, where we were able to build 97 home theaters and children's hospitals. My biggest pride is that we've really brought women to the table that should absolutely positively be here. One of the things I think that came from the previous generation of the audiophile community was the WAF factor, the wife acceptance factor. And I said, what if she embraced it? What if she actually wanted it and desired it and invited it into her home? Could that make a difference? Probably. The industry is so predominantly male, and so many of them came from that love of audio. So I think we changed the landscape in a dramatic way with audio video interiors, because we demonstrated this is a lifestyle, and at the backbone of that has been the organization CEDIA. They have embraced everything we've done. They've been more than supportive of all of our initiatives. When we launched the ELF Foundation, every penny that we raised was spent on a kid. Every penny. The L in ELF, which is Lauren, she was 3.5 with leukemia, and she was the motivation for her Uncle Doug to meet me in New York and said, we can do this. But it was more about watching parents see a kid be a kid for just an hour and a half. It was amazing. But none of this happens without a designer, without an architect, without a builder. That's where Technology Designer was born, because we believe strongly in just the title. Come to the table with the same responsibility as the interior designer, the lighting designer, the landscape designer, the architect. These are the people that make it all happen together. I think that a big deal about what we have been promoting is how we convey the message. They understand that now they are really pitching something that has to do with lifestyle in the most valuable sense of that word. How do you want to live in this home? I have witnessed every Lifetime Achievement Award presentation, and it really is humbling to think of myself in the same company as some of the most revered people in this industry who have done so much and brought so much vision to where we're going, and I want to be one of those people. I see young women, I see mid-career women, and I see senior leadership women who have been champions in making a difference. And I don't think we'd be where we are today without our participation. But I wanted to say thank you, and thank you to CEDIA. You know, it's so great to look out and to see the CEDIA community live and in person and together again. And it's funny because we talk a lot about community building with our clients, and we have done that. We have built a community at CEDIA, and we've done it through CEDIA Expos, CEDIA Regionals, sponsored events, and the individual events at some of your showrooms. You should be proud of what you've built. I am. very confident that we have the wherewithal and the right people and the right spirit and the right passion to meet any challenge that comes our way.